Hello, welcome to RedesigningsStoryCrafter.com. Redesigning Storycrafter is my David Michael Akers, DMA for short, is what I refer to myself as, and you'll be seeing me at dmalive.tumblr.com. And this is my basically my journaling recording of my redesign of the site StoryCrafter.com. StoryCrafter.com is a interactive story role-playing kind of game site that I developed back in 2002. Most of the code was ported over from another site I developed called decktech.net, and then everything else that wasn't specific to, like, authorization and registering and signing up and stuff like that, that story specific I wrote from scratch for storycrafter.com. So let me just give you an overview of what storycrafter.com is if you're not familiar with it. StoryCrafter.com is a site where you can kind of go and you can sign up for, let me just click on a random story here, okay? And you can sign up for a character, you can create characters, and then your characters can post various different things. And so it's like you're creating a story with each other. You're playing the role of a character, this person's the dungeon master, and so forth and so on. And all together, when you guys string it together, it's like you're all involved in a role-playing kind of game. And actually, there's some things in here that will even allow you to do like Dungeons and Dragons types of stuff, which is rolling dice and various different things like that. So it's really geared towards kind of creating this fictional, like, interactive story. And so in some ways, it's been really great. Like. And some things that I over the years I've added that didn't turn out so great. Text only off. I don't think anybody uses this. Text only on. This cast message board, I don't think anybody uses that. Just some of the things that I think I would do differently now in retrospect. And so what I decided to do is exactly that. In retrospect, I'm going to recode Storycrafter from scratch, from start to finish. It'll be brand new. For those people who are worried about the Storycrafter they know and love going away, don't worry. I'm going to leave the Storycrafter.com that you know and love intact, and I'm going to be creating a new site that you can use if you like, and if you want to keep using the old site, it's fine. You can use the old site. Let's see. It's probably because I'm doing a screen capture. Anyway, this is looks like this is the home page, actually, index.php of my storycrafter.com site, and as you can see, there's a lot of HTML mixed in with some PHP. This is how we used to do things back in 1995, or no, not 1995, 1997, 98. And so it just kind of has carried over since then, because I haven't really updated this code base for 10 years or so. And so basically what I need to do is I need to start over and get rid of all of this. Now this has fallen out of favor. We don't do this anymore in programming. Well, I should take that back. We try not to do this. Sometimes you will always get on projects where this is kind of how they do it, and we just kind of roll with the punches. But I try not to do it this way anymore. I really don't like having the application logic and the presentation layer combined. I much prefer a cleaner separation between those things. And so when I redesign StoryCrafter.com, it's going to be using a very distinct model view controller pattern. Well, it's going to be a front controller pattern, model view controller, MVC architecture. Okay, this is going to be something that will help, I think, performance. Performance is something that I really haven't been satisfied with this site. Like you can just see right there, I clicked on that, it took like a second to load or more. That took a while to load. I don't like how it's not snappy, because I really don't like this, by the way. These things I did that, I thought it was cool at the time, but it really is kind of stupid, and I'm going to get rid of that. So we're just going to make some changes. I'm going to make some improvements. And so if you're interested in following along in this project as I redesign storycrafter.com, then subscribe or like this and pass it along to people that you know. Send me some comments about things you'd like to see on the new Storycrafter. About the new Storycrafter, I'll have some information about what it's going to be like, how is it going to be different than the existing Storycrafter. Some people, I'm sure, will really not like it, and because it is going to be quite different. And some people will be like, "Wow, that's really cool. I think it would be nice." So I just hope you guys can appreciate the process, and if you can follow along with me, maybe you can learn something as we go, as I redesign and recode this site, and let's just let's enjoy the process together. All right, thanks.